Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy and cool bottle art ideas everybody can do. So, bottle art is something everybody can do from their own homes because we are all locked down in our own homes and we can't just go out and have fun. So, you can just have fun right from your own homes by doing bottle art. All you have to do is just grab some bottles and paints and get it started. So, are you ready? A little interruption. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe. Right now, subscribe because I have a lot of ideas coming up just for you.
Number 1. So this is a bottle art that you could do within just 5 minutes. So the items you will need are some cute bottles and some acrylic paints of your choice. So you can really do this bottle art using just 2 items within 5 minutes. It's that simple. Let's see. So the thing I want to tell you is that you can decorate it, add colors in whatever way you want. You have the freedom. You can add a code. So codes are always beautiful. So they just give a unique look to your bottle, just as this. So that's it. It's done. Number 2. Vintage bottle art. So the items that you will need for doing this bottle art are cardboard pieces, eggshells, glue, black paint and some decorative ribbon. Let's see how it's done. So first of all, take the curvy portion of the cardboard and cut it to the appropriate size. Then paste them on the bottle. After this, so you can just apply the glue, and after this, paste dried eggshells in the in-between space. So just keep on doing the pasting and just complete it. Now after this, you can just cut 4 pieces of the curvy board into a semicircle and paste them on the bottle. See? And then paint the whole bottle black. Yeah, this will be really good. See? Look at that. It's amazing just with all the black itself. Now, apply some gold paint or powder using a sponge or tissue. So this will give a vintage or antique look to our bottle. And also you can add some decorative ribbons of your choice. Just glue them and decorate it as you wish. See, the bottle is ready. And this is the final look. See, amazing and stunning it is. Number 3 is a Sweeken bottle art. So the items that you will need for doing this bottle art are some cute bottle, yes of course a cute bottle, some acrylic paints, and you will need some sequins, some shiny and bright sequins, and again the decorative ribbons. So first of all, take your bottle and paint it whole yellow, and so for these spaces on the bottle you can paint them red. So it was my color of choice. You can choose any color you want. as your beige, so this was my choice. And then you can just paint the bottle with some designs of your choice. So I just did random designs using black color. So just you can just any design of your choice. It doesn't have to be those mandalas or centangles. You can just do some random symbol dots. That's enough. And then like take some sequins and paste them on the bottle. Like paste them in whatever way you wish it will look good. Just like if you want to do it as I'm doing, you can do this. So after this, you can like add some quotes to the bottle, because I just love adding quotes to whatever things I do. So these were the quotes that I chose, and you can do this. Also, you can add some like decorative ribbons and make it look more classy and stunning. Just look at that. This is the final look. And yeah, that's it. It's ready, and look how amazing it looks.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below which bottle art you love the most. And you can follow me on Instagram for daily updates. The link of it is given below in the description. And yeah, that's it. That's all about this video. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Have fun.